This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So first of all, launch settings, then enter the apps category. In here, open the Manage Apps page, find the application that you would like to clear the data for. At the app page, go for the Clear Data option. Here it is, as you can see at the bottom part of your display. Then decide whether you would like to clear only the app cache, and we'll tap at the Clear Cache option then. Or if you would like to remove all user or app data, go for the Operate or Manage Storage option. Choose the Erase All Data function, erase, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.